Another segment of Xylos Media, with this segment, we call it the Xylos documentaries. These Xylos documentaries, what we do is that anywhere that we realize that they are celebrating their traditional festival, we pick car, we come to their place, want to know everything about every festival in Ghana. Currently, I am at Agortime, Petwe. Today is the first day that they are starting their program. And with the first day, what they do is that they want to pray and ask for the ancestors for their permission. They want to ask the ancestors for their permission before they can carry out any festival that they do. So today, what they are doing is we come to Agortime, Afegame, where they will carry out the ancestral prayers at the ancestral home of the indigenous. So stay with us from the beginning of the program to the end so that anything that will happen, we'll bring it to you. Don't forget, they'll be displaying a whole lot of kete. This is the origin of the kete that people have been calling kente. We don't call it kente, or they don't call it kente. They call it kete, and they claim they are the originators of the kete. That's why they're celebrating the kete festival. So along the line, we'll be asking them questions concerning how come they are the originators of the kete festival and what type of a history can they tell us about this thing, about the Kete festival. So stay with us from the beginning up to the end. We'll bring you every vivid information about this festival. Stay with us.
Ago hanya go to we wow ida go hanya ida go okay do ida go hanya lo feno ne ke hise pati wo leba no mo ni lo ne baba o wa ble o lo ba no mo ni lo ne ka de no nu pa pe akeun nílẹ̀ ìṣe yẹn blú pòkẹ́dọ̀ wùwà ọ̀jẹ̀ yàgò ẹ̀gọ́tò máa ìmítẹ̀kẹ̀ nọ́ọ̀mì ìjẹ́nu fíọ̀nù èmi ní bẹ́tẹ́bẹ́tẹ́ ìṣe yẹn pòkẹ́dọ̀ jẹ́ yẹn ìpínlẹ̀kọ ìgbìyànjú fíọ̀nù yọ̀rẹ́ àjẹmà ìyọ̀ ìmúlìgbì ìyọ̀ yẹ ìlìgbì. Niyo koko eligbi, niyo ma eligbi, nene igbe na yo. Na lu kore lomo. Nenu ahoye sasala eligbi lo yo. Bo nene kwawu, lembo, loma la fiano yi. Ni baba ngotum, lebe eligbi le yi. Aba eke gbe, ma eligbi lo nene bo eligbi. Nene lu felo yi. Ebolobode lọ fi màlúù fídíò bàbá tó ẹ wà rẹ yé. Èkejì ò tí ọ, èkejì àṣìkò mọ gbọ̀tò bí àti ọ̀bùn rẹ̀ lọ́kọ̀ àgbálẹ̀ lánà fẹ́ẹ̀nà ẹ̀rín bọ́ọ̀lù ẹ̀. Àbátú ẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ké pọ̀tù ẹ̀ lé máa ń wà. Tí wọ́n mi fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ rọ̀ bàbá rẹ̀ bàbá yìí bí lọ. Ní á nílò àwọn ẹyẹ yìí á yọ ẹbí rẹ̀ bàbá yìí bí lọ yẹ wú. Akẹ́gbẹ́lẹ́ bọ́kẹ̀kẹ́ náà ìlà òòlù fẹ́ẹ̀nà. Bàbí yìí náà máa ń wọ̀ sí ẹ̀ bá ìlà òòlù mẹ́ kókò àbáwò ẹ̀nu. Ní bàbá yà pé kékòó kò ní bí lọ sọ̀rọ̀ máa yẹ. Àgbàtò máa ń dùn wọn pété ànáre ké wà máa yẹ ní bí lọ. Bí wàá máa yẹ sisi yẹ kékeré òtí ọ̀ bí wàá máa yẹ lọ́fẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ilé gbàtò wẹ̀ mu wa. Jà àkéyò bàbá pẹ̀tù nù ìmọ̀lẹ́ múlò ní bí ọ̀nù. Mẹ́ni máa ń pè tẹ̀lé mu àkẹ́tùtù kwa ẹ máa dúpọ̀ lọ kókò kú ọbẹ̀ wà pẹ́ yẹ. Mo mẹ́ni mú mẹ́ni máa nù ẹ wá ó rẹ̀ gbẹ́gbàtò máa rẹ̀ ìwé mu wa. Rárá ilé gbé lọ yẹ. Nígbà náà máa yẹ mọ̀, èmi níjọ míá. Káà máa ní ẹ̀rọ, paanu ya, ilé ẹ̀rọ ajé, lọ́wọ́ bá, ṣé kòkò rẹ̀ kùsùnmọ́ lọ́ máa tó túkọ̀ mọ̀, ọ̀rọ̀ yà paanu, kẹlẹ̀, kẹmi níhi kẹlẹ́ kẹni, bá nù kó ọ, kókò wọn bá wà tó ọ sísì. Nílẹ̀, àmà ẹ̀pẹ́ ìmìlẹ́jọ kẹ́jẹ́ sókàyà bíi àhọ̀ hàn ọ̀gbà àwọn ìfẹ́ lọ́sísì ìmìlẹ́jọ lò ní mo lò kò kẹ́ gbẹ́gbẹ́lẹ́ ẹ̀fẹ́ lọ́nà làmọ̀ lónà tọ̀dé lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ mọ̀ wọn nùkúlì lóbìnrin fẹ́ lọ lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ mọ̀ wọn nùkúlì gẹ́lẹ́ lẹ́fà pọ́lì bí lọ ní kakú kẹ̀kẹ́ hùn nínú ọ̀ ní bọ́ òkú hùn lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ bà nínú ọ̀ jọ̀jọ̀ lẹ́fà manere banoye momombora welio lewaje agapata ke lembo wanoto agbawa bo agbawa bambo leki bole bien ke lembo gbabo wanoto agbawa bo o ko to bo dilejo mia elipino
Our journey to this land was fraught with challenges which our forefathers relentlessly went through to give us the liberty we enjoy as a proud Agortime state today. And it is always good to commemorate this day to honor their efforts. Though frantic efforts are being made to distort the states of our leadership institutions, we cannot forget they mostly credit the then Nomo Chuchuakwa, who was successful among the three Asafakes sent by the chief warlord Nenenono Apam on the expedition of getting a good land for perpetual settlement of the less, now being referred to as the Agortimes. His tree planted here and was the only able to sprout among the other ones planted at the other places, also being sought for by his colleagues, confirmed and encouraged our forebears that life could be made here. Consequently, it was mandatory and paramount to build the first house of the great leaders, especially Numo, Elodum, and their respective institutional stools, the great male and female Nkrifo stools, the warlord Osikle stools near the sprout tree, that is the Dibor, is now referred to us as Kasiacho. This first royal house, which is Jagletenya, referred to us as Wengwam Afegame, was where all the springing Le communities draw their counsel from until this day. Due to this, our entire ancestral community is now referred to as Wengwam Afegame. It is commendable that the governing body, the planning committees, and the entire stakeholders of the Agortime Kente Festival choose to always give this due recognition to the ancestral home of where still holds the rightful place for to commemorate and establishment of the Agortime state. Let me also use this opportunity to appeal for the united and the coexistence and mutual respect to the very institutions that brought us so this far. Our forebears would have achieved this milestone if they were disregard to the supreme symbols and institutions. We need to build upon them in unity as it was. Mr. Chairman, I wish to conclude that may our heritage of the Kente Festival bring equitable development to all the communities. Thank you.
fun and go. Let I go. Wale nene yo. Wale nene yo. Le wa fun and yo. Wale nene yo. Wale nene yo. Le wa fun and yo. Nene yo. Nene yo. Wale nene yo. Wale nene yo. Le wa fun and yo. Hey.